Hi everyone, Ridhvesh Finance bring the table one of the hot equity target, and this hot equity target is month of May. The Meta platform is there, Amazon platform is there, Apple Incorporation is there, Alphabet incorporation is there, and that we will not go as per the stock. Amazon is there, and then we have one of the cheapest wait a moment, we have one of the cheapest company, not cheapest stock, sorry, penny stock or cheapest stock, and that is HDFC Bank. So all these how many videos are there? Five videos are available for you on today itself. So do you believe it or not? Let me know into the comments. Yes, all of you, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Look, whatever we are delivering as of now, that is just grabbing the subscriber. So, whenever you wanted to invest, you should study from your end and then only invest it. This is just for entertainment purpose. We are uploading the video. We are not doing deep dive analysis over here. Ridhvesh Finance having a mantra. We are from India, so we use this word as mantra. We believe that steady. See, when you are eating something, you eat for your body. Similarly, when you are investing something, you are investing for your better future. So in that case, you have to study first and then invest into the market. Okay, so that's all about Ridhvesh Finance. Says that all of you just think about, yeah, we will say the HDFC Bank will be the great stock for all of you for a long term. In case you are interested to invest, we are not recommending that you should or you do. We say that is his choice is yours. As all, everybody have a freedom to manage their own wallet. So it's all about Ridhvesh Finance, and we will upload the number of video in the month of May. So don't wait, don't just wait. You can be watch our YouTube channel on every weekend at least, because we are majorly available on weekend. So hopefully, guys, you also love it to us. And yes, absolutely. We will not talk too much. There will be lockdown is expecting. People are talking. The lockdown. Before that, we are recommending number of stocks of tech companies. So, do you believe in our statistic? Let me know into the comment. It's all about stat and rat in your wallet. Hey, welcome all. This is one of the cheapest stock, penny stock, and that is HDFC Bank Limited. Yeah, right now we have strategies after Intel. We are also recommending the stock to the market on Ridhvesh Finance platform. What the stock and what exactly is going on. So this is the first of a stock. Yeah, you can go and check out our previous video where we have speak about Intel and all, Nvidia. Apart from that, we have given one of the cheapest stock over there, which is currently, yeah, there is the media channel we have given, and other than that, Netflix is also there. So do you love Netflix? You can go and check out on that terms. So right now we are giving one of the cheap stock, and that is from the HDFC Bank. If you are going to invest in NYSE, then the stock name is HDFC Bank Limited. The stock price is currently 24 US 0.84 USD per stock. So right now this stock is going down. Suppose the stock will goes down, it can touch up to 17 USD per stock by whole year. We are telling by whole year, but by the time we were expecting this stock is goes down around 22 USD per stock at least. This will happen within a month. Probably we are not running the bank, okay? So probably this will goes down, and it can touch up to even 20 USD per stock. Suppose it will price will goes up of, there is no possibility as of now for HDFC Bank will have goes up, but suppose, who knows that banks management think what we are not aware. So this will give the breakout around 31 USD, 33 USD per stock, and this is our target is valid for next 6 months for banking sector HDFC Bank, because bank's performance is always like less than FD as per stock, but more than fixed deposit. They will give to you the good returns if their stock will perform it. Do you believe it? Let me know in the comments. And so, anyways, HDFC is the cheapest stock of the week, which Prithivaj Finance has recommending you. So that's all. I really appreciated your precious time with us. I'm really grateful for my audience who's spending a time on our YouTube channel watching our old videos. Even I'm thankful to all of them who's watching our old videos. And thank you, Bhavradvej Finance. Hope you will love our videos in nearest future, even while revising, repeating. I don't understand why the people are watching old videos which is just about the briefing about the companies. Even that is quite strange. If anybody knows the reason, let me know into the comments, and absolutely we will bring something more than that on this platform. Hopefully you will love it. I guess everyone want relaxing time, so chill guys to all of you.